haven't seen a lot of debris recently, but it was a couple of hours ago that hold on. All right. Sorry about that. Wow, that was a heck of a gust.
I don't know if this is exactly hurricane force winds. We don't have a wind meter, but I'm sure you can tell right now the wind is really strong out here right now. Actually, difficult to even keep our balance again. So, yeah, oh! Yeah, we're okay out here. We're okay, but yeah, we both got whipped around just now.
You know, Matt, our truck operator, Tom Bear, said, "Don't you wish you had your weight back?" Right about now, I do. Oh.
Are you okay?
We're okay. We're okay. We're okay.
Okay.
We're okay. We're coming inside.
Yeah, do
that's
that,
a good
Al.
idea. That's a
Wouldn't
good
it be
idea.
easier if you just-
We're back with more of Today on this Monday morning. It's the 24th of October, 2005. That was Al.